taking pictures.
Yes, you are.
I'm not. I'm videotaping.
Don't point that at me.
Oh, it's pointed at you.
I'll
And now just for that, I'm zooming in on you.
I'll break your camera.
Oh no. Jeff, I just... Oh my goodness. You look like... I don't even know. You look like you tried to put a Smurf on your head. What are you guys gonna make like a club out of this? You are, aren't you? Oh, nope. You two are ridiculous.
Talk to the shovel.
I will talk to the shovel. Hey shovel, what's your name? Fine, be like that. Don't talk to me. Aunt Cindy? I see you.
I can't do that to you.
He's a bucket head.
Who's a buckethead?
Jeff, look at him, he's a bucket head. You should get like one of those cone hats and we can call you Cone Head.
There you go, man. That gives you just a little bit.
So now we've got a club going on. We got Uncle Danny with the bucket head, we got Jeff with the bucket head, and he's playing the shovel guitar. Woo! Oh goodness, Jeff. What is Jeff doing? Oh crap! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Ah! Being attacked! That's right, you back down. That's right.